Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So you must have seen this type of photo which is going viral in Instagram. So I will show you how to create this type of couple pictures using AI. So I will show you in my mobile screen how to create such image. So here I will show you two scenarios. If you have a couple picture, you can upload this and you can paste this prompt. Okay, so how to get the prompt I will tell you, or else you can see how the image is generated here, or else if you have a separate pictures, you don't have pictures together, you can upload both pictures together here and you can use the same prompt and you can see how the image is generated. So for prompt, either you can comment in this post as a prompt, or you can visit my Telegram channel here and you can directly copy the prompt from here and you can use it in Gemini or a ChatGPT. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.